In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about gymnosperms which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Gymnosperms are different from the angiosperms in having seeds, having naked ovules, having fruits, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Gymnosperms are different from the angiosperms in having naked ovules. Ovary wall is absent around the ovule. Question number 2. Plant which produce seed but lacks flower is fungi, pteridophytes, bryophytes, gymnosperms. So correct answer is option D. Plant which produces seed but lack flower are known as gymnosperm flower. Question number 3. The tallest known gymnosperm is Pinus, Ginkgo, Scovia, Ephedra. So correct answer is option C. The tallest known gymnosperm is Sequoia. Question number 4. Which is true for the vascular bundle of gymnosperms? Steel is present in the vascular bundle. Vascular bundles are of exarch type. Vascular bundles are collateral. They are conjoined. So correct answer is option C. Vascular bundles of gymnosperms are collateral. It means the phloem and xylem are present on the same radius, but phloem is present outside the stem while the xylem is present in the center of the stem. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इसके साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Which of the following is absent in the xylem of gymnosperm? Tracheids are absent, parenchyma are absent, fibers are absent, vessels are absent. So correct answer is option D. Vessels are absent in the xylem of gymnosperms. Question number 6. Endosperm in gymnosperms is haploid, diploid, triploid, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Endosperm of gymnosperm is haploid in nature. Question number 7. Which of the following is called living fossil? Ephedra, Pinus, Cycas, Ginkgo. So correct answer is option C. Cycas is called as living fossils. Question number 8. Which type of roots are found in gymnosperms? Adventitious roots are present, tape roots are present, rhizophores are present, rhizides are present. So correct answer is option B. Tape roots are found in gymnosperms while the adventitious roots are found in pteridophytes. Question number 9. In course of evolution, gymnosperms are originated in Cenozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Precambrian period. So correct answer is option B. In course of evolution, gymnosperms are originated in Paleozoic era. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इसके अलावा अगर आपको प्लांट किंगडम के बाकी टॉपिक्स पर वीडियोस चाहिए तो अभी प्लांट किंगडम की प्लेलिस्ट विजिट करें जिसका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which is not the feature of gymnosperms? Presence of parallel venation, presence of perennial plants, presence of distinct branches, presence of vessels in the xylem. So correct answer is option D. Vessels in the xylem is not a feature of gymnosperms because in gymnosperms vessels are absent. Question number 11. Megasporium of gymnosperm is also known as ovule, nautilus, fruit, micropyle. So correct answer is option B. Megasporium of gymnosperm is also known as nautilus and it is diploid in nature. Question number 12. In gymnosperms, the pollination is exclusively by animals, by wind, by insects, by water. So correct answer is option B. In gymnosperms, the pollination is done by wind. Question number 13. The most advanced order in gymnosperm is cycadales, coniferales, nitales, taxales. So correct answer is option C. Nitales is the most advanced order of gymnosperms. Question number 14. Corallite roots are found in Cycas, Pinus, Dryopteris, Lycopodium. So correct answer is option A. Corallite roots are found in Cycas plant. Question number 15. The largest sperms are found in Pinus, Cedrus, Cycas, Natum. So correct answer is option C. The largest sperms are found in Cycas plant. Question number 16. The phloem of gymnosperm is different from the angiosperms in having parenchyma, having no companion cells, having no sieve tubes, having no sclerenchyma. So correct answer is option B. Phloem of gymnosperms is different from the angiosperm because the phloem of gymnosperms have no companion cells while the phloem of angiosperms contain companion cells. Question number 17. Endosperm in gymnosperm is formed at the time of fertilization, before fertilization, after fertilization, along with development of embryo. So correct answer is option B. Endosperm of gymnosperm is formed before the fertilization. That's why endosperm is haploid in nature. Question number 18. Most of the gymnosperms are xerophytes, hadrophytes, halophytes, epiphytes. So correct answer is option A. Most of the gymnosperms are xerophytes in occurrence. Question number 19. Vessels are absent in the xylem of gymnosperms except Pinus, Natum, Cycas, both B and C. So correct answer is option B. Vessels are absent in the xylem of gymnosperms except Natum. Question number 20. Gymnosperms present in the form of shrubs is Pinus, Ephedra, Cycas, Natum. So correct answer is option B. Ephedra is a gymnosperm that is present in the form of shrubs. Question number 21. Pollen grains of gymnosperms is actually reduced gametophyte, diploid sporophyte, haploid megaspore, haploid sporophyte. So correct answer is option A. Pollen grains of gymnosperms is actually reduced male gametophyte and it is haploid. Question number 24, 22. Which of the following is dioecious plant? Cycas, Pinus, Dryopteris, Lycopodium. So correct answer is option A. Cycas is a dioecious plant. It means male and female sex organs are formed at different plants. Question number 23. Fertilization occurs in higher gymnosperms by zooidosiphonoogamy, anisogamy, siphonogamy, cytogamy. So correct answer is option C. Fertilization occurs in higher gymnosperms by means of siphonogamy, while the fertilization in lower gymnosperms is done by pseudosiphonogamy. Question number 24. Life cycle of gymnosperms is diplontic, haplodiplotic, haplantic, diplohaplantic. So correct answer is option A. Life cycle of gymnosperms is diplontic because the female gametophyte is reduced and short-lived. Question number 25. Living fossil plant belongs to which order of Cycadophyta? Benithitales, Cycadophylicales, Cycadales, Pteropsida. So correct answer is option C. Living fossil plants belongs to the order Cycadale of group Cycadophyta. Question number 26. Which of the following is smallest gymnosperm? Zamia, Ginkgo, Sequoia, Ephedra. So correct answer is option A. Zamia pygmea is the smallest gymnosperms. Question number 27. Female cone is absent in Pinus, Ephedra, Cycas, Natum. So correct answer is option C. In Cycas plant, female cone is absent. Question number 28. The oldest order of class Conipherophyta is Chordatails, Ginkgoales, Coniferales, Nitales. So correct answer is option A. Option B. Ginkgoales is the oldest order of class Conipherophyta. Question number 29. Which plant is placed in order Coniferales? Ephedra, Natum, Cedrus, Ginkgo. So correct answer is option C. Cedrus plant is belongs to order Coniferale. Question number 30. All members of order Nitales are divided of Archegonia except Ephedra, Natum, Cedrus, Ginkgo. So correct answer is option A. All members of order Nitales are without Archegonia except Ephedra. Ephedra have Archegonia. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट जिम्नोस्पर्म्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इसके साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।